Anyways, everyone, I am back and I am finally talking on here. I know it's been a minute since I actually even had an intro part to my videos, because all of my videos have been just very quick and to the point, and it's just been a lot for me to make videos as of lately. So I'm finally making one, and I have finally taken my braids out. I had them in for about 2 months, so I gave it a good run. It was time to go. But I actually have my hair freshly washed and prepped for FLEXI rods. It's been a minute since I've actually done FLEXI rods in my hair. I feel like the last time I did it was the last time I made a video doing it, and it's not a YouTube video, it's just an Instagram tutorial. And in that video, I used a mixture of curl formers and FLEXI rods, because at that point in my life, I just didn't have enough of each because they're both really expensive and I didn't want to go buy them. So, with that being said, I have bought some, and I bought some, and I just picked up 5 packs of 6, and I already had this supply, and I have some shorter ones that I probably won't use. I guess it kind of just depends. If I end up running low, I might just throw some curl formers in, but we'll see. I'll try and make this work. But yeah, I'm really excited to make this video because it's actually a tutorial rather than just a quick, ooh, look at me do my hair on Instagram. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this video started, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next scene. Bye.